Essential winter home maintenance checklist. Prepare your home for the cold months to stay safe and avoid costly repairs. Key steps include: service heating system, tune up and replace filters, seal drafts, use weather stripping and insulation, clean gutters, remove debris to prevent ice dams, winterize plumbing, drain and insulate outdoor pipes, test detectors, check smoke and carbon monoxide alarms, inspect roof, look for damaged shingles or leaks, stock winter essentials, get ice melt, shovels, and emergency supplies. These measures will protect your home and keep it running smoothly all winter.